Hello, good day guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Narcissist Guide. Thank you for tuning in. For those of you who are going through healing, I hope that you're coping well. If this is your first time and you're educating yourself on narcissistic behavior, narcissistic abuse, or going through a discovery that you're actually dealing with a narcissist, thank you for listening. Today I'll be talking about how to slow down the love bombing phase. When you have listened to this podcast today, you will use this experience as a reminder of how close you were to danger and how you have been able to stop it right on time before it becomes worse. And that is what I want to talk to you about today. That is the love bombing phase. Why it is so harmful? It is harmful because it's a tactic the narcissist is using to manipulate and ultimately gain power and control over you. And it is effective because it creates an illusion that the love bomber, the narcissist, is being vulnerable with you. And what it does to you is it will make you feel so comfortable leaving the door wide open to be manipulated and controlled. You're actually opening up your soul to the devil. Now, the love bombing phase is a very energy draining period for the narcissist, especially for the covert narcissist. They are trying to rush you into a relationship. And the moment they meet you, they will analyze you, they will study you, they will try to find out what your ambitions are, what your goals are in life, what your family dynamic is like. They are studying you and they are going to make your interest become their interest. So your interest becomes the narcissist's interest. During this love bombing phase, you'll be getting a lot of gifts from the narcissist. The narcissist will be very attentive. The narcissist will send you messages. They want to spend all their time with you. They send you poems. They tell you how great you are, that you are that they're in love with you. They claim soulmate connection. You're better than their exes. You know their past relationships were bad, but you're the one. That is all part of the love bombing phase. Well, now, understand that in a normal relationship, communication is the key, okay? So when you're in a normal relationship with a healthy person and you're thinking like, okay, this is going too fast, this is going too quick, let's slow things down a bit. Let's dial a notch back. Take things a bit slower, at a slower pace, gradual development of this relationship. If you're telling that to someone who is not a narcissist, this person will most likely respect that idea and, not brush it off. But when you're going to tell this to a narcissist and you tell the narcissist, okay, let's slow down, let's take a notch back, let's develop this relationship in a more healthy and gradual way instead of rushing things, If you tell that to a narcissist, the narcissist will brush that idea off because they don't want to take a step back. They will make excuses or try to brush off your feelings. And then they will even try to upgrade their game of manipulation. They will meet you with more manipulation. When you notice that, guys, that's the moment where you have to cut this narcissist out of your life. Don't interact, engage, communicate, don't respond, block this person. And this is how you will be able to save yourself from the devil. Because now you will know that this is love bombing. This is what love bombing is. Narcissist is rushing you into a relationship as soon, as quick as possible, just to be able to ultimately gain power and control over you. So make sure that if your idea is not being respected, that it is a major red flag, a huge red flag. And that is the moment where you have to say to yourself, okay, right, it's all an illusion, okay, because it is an illusion. This is the moment where the narcissist is trying to lure you in. And they will do anything and everything they can to make sure it happens, that they're successful, because this is how they gain their new supply. This is how they rush you into a relationship so that they can control and manipulate even more and abuse you. If you have been in a narcissistic relationship, you will understand the love bombing phase. You will know how it was during the love bombing phase. It is all an illusion. It's not real. It's all fake. Okay, so just don't think about like, okay, we had similar hobbies, similar interests. No, it's all fake. That is when the narcissist will put their mask on, and they will portray as being the love of your life. Well, they're not. So now the narcissist is also understanding that you're not gonna bend for them, that you're not gonna melt for their love bombing tactic. Okay, even after trying to meet you with more manipulations, the narcissist will notice like, okay, this is not gonna work. And that is when the narcissist can also disappear. So it doesn't have to be that you're cutting the narcissist out of your life, but it can also be that the narcissist will discard of you because they think like, wow, the energy that I've put in this love bombing has failed. The narcissist will leave you if they notice that it is way too much work to lure you into their lives as their new supply. So thank you very much, guys. This was the subject for today. I hope it was useful. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video on YouTube, and leave your comments in the comment box. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will try to reply them. Thank you very much for listening, and see you next time.